ALLPOWERS 100W 18V 12V Portable Solar Panel. Why choose ALLPOWERS 100W Portable Solar Panel? High efficiency. 100W monocrystalline solar cell is made from US, up to 23.5% efficiency, providing endless choice for laptop and other battery under sun. Exclusive tech. Charge faster. Charge safer.power up to USB output 2.4A Max.DC output 5A Max. Easy to carry. Portable and frame design and folded fit for outdoor and indoor use. No space occupy.Foldable size. 12 7.5 3.5 inch weight. 2 kilograms waterproof and durable high anti-wear PET solar panel with IP65 waterproof protection level. High temperature resistant overpower protection, surge protection, short circuit protection. Ideal for outdoor activities, such as camping trips and fishing. Made for charging portable power station or laptop, tablet, notebook, solar generator, 12V car, boat, RV, battery, camping, hiking, travel. Highly compatible with most solar generator, portable power station laptops, car battery on the market. 118V DC output. Compatible with most solar portable generator, Sueoki, Goal Zero, Jackery, Rockpools, Enkyo portable power station, etc. or laptop. Included different size of connectors, 2.5V USB port and 5.1 connectors for smartphones, NOTEBOOK Dell, Lenovo, etc. and TABLETS iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, etc. iPad mini, external battery packs, and other 5V USB devices. Alligator clip for charging 12V car battery.